Hi, I'm Nori. Welcome to my lab. One thing I'm terrible at is remembering things. So that's why I made this sticky watch. I wanted something as easy to use as like sticky notes, aka post-its. But post-its, if you think about it, you need a post-it and a pen. And you lose your pen all the time. You have to look for it when you wanna write something onto it. And that's not good. I wanted something that's with me all the time, like a watch. It's intentionally not a smartwatch because I don't like messing around tapping on my wrist. Nah. So with sticky watch, it's very simple. You just press the button long to record. Testing, 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 and press again. It plays. In this video, I'd like to just share my experience in making a nice looking or semi-professional looking product that's ready to sell. That's relatively easy to manufacture at home. And manufacturing is the important keyword here, because when you develop a product, typically you make a prototype and then you have to get it manufactured in a factory, which can get expensive. So I want to find an alternative way to this, and I want to bring the production of the first batch of, say, a few hundred units into prototyping phase, if that makes sense. And if the first batch sells well, you might want to go on to mass produce it in a factory. So yeah, this is an experiment. Stay tuned if you are interested. Again, I'm recording this on a later date than the first two clips. And yeah, first of all, some changes have been made to the sticky watch. Functionality and everything else is the same, but now it uses an off-the-shelf watch band. Before it looked like this. Design have changed a little bit. It's got a little bit wider and it's got a little bit thinner. So that's that. Let's take a closer look at the watch itself. So it's got a microphone over here, speakers here, and batteries going there, and it's got two switches, two buttons, if you can see, right here and right there. And let me see, these are the LED displays. There are 5 of them, and it's shining through the silicone cover. And when you want to record something, you press long on the right button and you click on the right button and it plays back. You can navigate through the messages by double clicking the right button. Alright, and when you press the left button once, it deletes a message. And yeah, it holds up to 5 different messages at a time, and each message can be 20 or 25 seconds long. So it's intended for very short memos. I describe it as an extension for your short-term memory on your brain. And yeah, that's it. When I shot the first 2 clips, I intended to do one long video showing all the steps how to make a sticky watch at home. But I decided to split it up into a series of videos. So this is gonna be the end of the first video, and I'm gonna be uploading videos of individual steps in a coming week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So yeah, I'll be covering the circuit board design, circuit board assembly, and home reflow soldering using an oven, and I'll be doing some 3D printing also, and I'll be covering silicone casting or mold, silicone mold casting or whatever you call it, and the final assembly and the programming also. So please stay tuned if you are interested. Thank you.